Alrighty, today we are looking at a Liftmaster model 1245R, 1/3 horsepower garage door opener, chain drive, built unit on a Wayne Dalton garage door. Here today programmed this Chamberlain clicker button and this new 878 Liftmaster keypad. Putting that down, here we go. Alright, open it back up. And there you have it. This is the green learn button version of this. And that is it. You all have a good one. Check back, subscribe, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks. Did a keypad on this one as well. Here we go.